Meaning of epidemiological.
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 Epidemiological. Epidemiological is an adjective that relates to the study of the distribution and factors that determine the frequency and spread of diseases in populations. It involves tracking patterns of diseases and identifying risk factors that can contribute to their transmission. By analyzing data on disease incidence and prevalence, epidemiologists can identify trends and develop strategies to prevent and control the spread of illness. Through their work, they play a vital role in protecting public health and reducing the burden of disease on society. Overall, the field of epidemiology is essential for understanding and addressing public health challenges.